Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram problem where it restricts certain activity to protect our community on your Android or iOS. If you're using any iPhone or an Android phone and you're using your Instagram facing this type issue, that you see a pop-up error will restrict certain activity to protect our community. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and relaunch your Instagram app. Here, just go tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Very first, you have to try to take a screenshot on the screen with which you are facing the issue. Once you have taken the screenshot, simply tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and here just scroll down and look for the option of help. Here's the help option, select that and then select report a problem and then select report problem without shaking. Then select include and continue here. And here you have to tap on this upload option. Then select the screenshot you have taken. Here's the screenshot and here you have to briefly explain your issue that my account has been restricted. Please help me to fix this or something like that. Once you have added or here under your description, you have to tap on the send option here and your request or report will be submitted to Instagram and after that they'll fix your issue. Or if you're still facing the same issues, you can also try to change your Instagram ID password. It will help you if to fix that issue. So open your Instagram app, tap on your profile option again, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, tap on the account center, select password and security, select change passwords, and here select your Instagram account, and you just have to enter your current password here, and then enter your new password, and then re-enter your new password. And after that your password will be changed and updated to your Instagram account. It will help you to fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.